Hello everybody and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In today's video we're going to be looking at the Dyplay Urban Traveller Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. These are marketed as foldable over-ear Bluetooth headphones that include dual microphones, deep bass and soft protein ear pads, so let's put them to the test. Inside the box we are greeted immediately with the headphones themselves, positioned to express their foldable functionality which makes them ideal for people on the go. Before we take a proper in-depth look at these headphones and their features, let's see what else is included in the box. As for the paperwork, we have a booklet that I simply can't read. We also have a little certificate of quality with a quality control pass stamp on there, which is quite nice to see. And finally we have the expected instruction manual that includes additional product information and setup guides. In regards to the cables, we firstly have a USB-C to USB Type-A charging cable, which is quite short in my opinion, but it's nice to see more companies adopting the USB Type-Cs these days. In addition to this, we also have a much better length 3.5mm audio jack cable, which nicely matches the colour of the headphones themselves. Obviously the headphones are Bluetooth, so the cable isn't a necessity, but it's great to have this included for when Bluetooth isn't an option or your headphones are out of battery. So lastly out of the box is this nylon travel bag for the headphones, which I wasn't expecting at all, making this quite a pleasant surprise. The bag is also lined with a soft microfiber finish to protect the headphones from scratches when being carried around. Talking of, it's now time to take a closer look at the Dyplay ANC headphones. These headphones are priced at £64.99 on Amazon, so let's take a look at the build quality and the features to see if these are the perfect on-the-go headphones for you. They feature a soft touch and premium feeling finish with a rubberized plush section at the top to maximise comfort. The headband is also nicely extendable and reveals the meta innards which give the headphones a nice solid build quality. The over-ear cushions are also very soft and comfortable, especially when used on the go. They do get quite warm after a long period of time, but so do all headphones with this style cushion, so it's no problem there at all. These Dyplay headphones also have a 90-degree swivelling and rotatable design, meaning that they can be made much more compact and convenient to take on your travels. Again, the build quality here feels fantastic, especially for the price. The hinges are very solid and will not break without any excessive force. In my opinion, the headphones have a very minimalistic and sleek looking design, with subtle branding and muted colours to appeal to a wide variety of people. So moving on from the build quality, let's take a look at some of the more technical features that you can find with the Dyplay Urban Traveller headphones. On the right we firstly have the USB Type-C input for charging the headphones. We also have a power button which doubles as a play and pause function. As well as this we also have the volume up and down controls which can also be used to answer phone calls and so on. On the left side we can see the 3.5mm audio jack and the ANC or Active Noise Cancelling switch that we'll take a closer look at in a moment. As well as all these functions, the headphones also feature dual microphones, which can not only be used for clear phone conversations via Bluetooth, but they are also the main reason why the active noise cancelling for the headphones is so good. The noise cancelling technology can reduce sound by 32 decibels by taking in sound via the Bluetooth microphones and feeding it back to your ears in a much cleaner and quieter format. Not only this, but this feature can be enabled without even having to turn the device on, which is a massive bonus. I tested the noise cancelling firstly in my room and it completely removed any fan noise from my computer and any other background noise as well. I then tested these outside and I could no longer hear any distant traffic or birds chirping, showing just how good and clever this technology actually is. The headphones feature 40mm drivers which offer impressive sound clarity with excellent bass depth, making listening to music or podcasts a real pleasure no matter where you are. The battery life is also another bonus with a 500mAh lithium battery offering a full 24 hours of usage on a single 3-hour charge. Connecting to Bluetooth was also extremely easy, simply hold down the power button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes red and blue and then you can connect to your desired device. Once connected I received no dropouts in connection thanks to a range of 10 meters. The only pet peeve I have regarding this product is that the voiceover for specific commands was defaulted to Chinese, and I could not easily find a way to change this, so I got in contact with Dyplay and they explained that this can be swapped out to English by long pressing the power button until the red and blue lights flash, then releasing the power button, double click the power button and then shut down. Turn it on again and the language will be swapped over. It's a very odd way of going about it, but this did solve the problem for me, and I've popped that down in the description as well in case anyone else needs to do this. So in review, these headphones offer an incredible bang for your buck. Whether you're after headphones for casual music listening, to take on a hike or to block out the stress from your everyday life, they really do tick all the boxes regarding build quality, performance and features. For £65 these are definitely worth your time. Big thank you to Dyplay for sending these out to me for testing and reviewing, but as always this is not a paid sponsorship, therefore all thoughts and opinions are my own. If you have any questions regarding the product, feel free to put those down in the comments section and check the links in the description if you'd like to learn more. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.